I'm Becky Martin, and I went to school at the University of Michigan at the Ross Business School, and I interned with Innova in Mexico City and had a really amazing time there. It's a great company, growing really quickly. It's probably considered a medium-sized company right now. They have educational centers in low-income areas in Mexico City, and I did a project working on their organizational strategy, trying to figure out if they should create new departments and new positions within the company because they grew so rapidly that they didn't really have time to focus on it. So I recommended that they create a research and development project and a few other things, and I think that they're implementing it right now, and hopefully it will help them grow even more. I think they're expanding to 430 more centers nationwide, and they're currently at 70 in the city. So hopefully the project that I did will help them out a lot. I came to this happy hour because I'm really interested in Innova. I love what it's doing, and I just want to keep in touch with whatever's happening at Innova. And I would love to continue learning more about the entrepreneurs that Endeavor supports, because I'm really into developing the private sector in emerging markets.